Hello, this is Kenji again. Welcome to another Joyful Tune-In. Today we're going to talk about who am I? So that seems to be the, how shall we say, the ancient query as to knowing thyself. Who am I? So considering the earth is going through heavy, intense changes, earth changes, the great awakening, the shift. Many levels of overwhelm are upon the planet. And it would behoove us to ask each and every day, who am I in this situation? Who am I in this experience? So we're going to take a little journey now into that. So close your eyes. Take a few deep cleansing breaths. Come into the now moment, letting go of all attachments, letting go of the earth, tribal consciousness, chaos that's upon the planet, letting go of your to-do lists, letting go of your mental body, your ego, and just simply allowing now for you to be one with your higher self. So imagine now that you have left the planes of duality and are moving quite naturally into the ozone of quantum consciousness, moving into the higher dimensions of being, moving into that which is beyond the fifth dimension, ascending, as it were, into the higher dimensions of your presence. Now, pick a situation that has been bothering you currently, and you're going to ask, who am I in this situation? Who am I in this experience? What am I in this experience, in this situation? And just simply allow, it's an open-ended question, who and what am I in this experience, in this situation? And just simply allow for a moment, going very deep into that experience and simply allowing now gently begin to come back to the focus of your body in the room. And you're going to invoke, I know who I am in love and truth. I know what I am in love and truth, and I know how I serve in love and truth. I am free, I am free, I am free. Now, as you come back to your body, just allow this energies now to work with you for the rest of the day, allowing the changes to naturally occur, whatever they may be, as the voyager, as the observer. We hope you enjoyed this little joyful tune-in today. And for further information, you may go to kenjikumara.com and check out our new programs and offerings. So until next time, have a very blessed day. Namaste.